In this video, I will show you how you can create a new level and how you can import some asset. For example, a font, after that a sounds like these, and after that some textures. For example, the enemy ships. Let's see how we can do that. First thing first, we need to install Unreal Engine. And for doing that, go to Google, search for Epic Game and open up the first result, epicgame.com. And when you go there, there is a download button on the top right corner. Click on it and install the Epic Game Launcher. When you install it, just open it, you will see something like this. You can see I did install some version of Unreal Engine, and the version that I'm going to use in this project is 5.7.1. Please use the same version for now, and when you learn everything, you can update to new versions. And for adding this version to your launcher, if it's not installed, just go here, click on add, and in here choose the version that you want. After that, hit install and it will be installed. I already installed it, so click on launch and it will be launched. You will see something like this. We are in Unreal Engine 5.7 and we want to create our project. So click on new project over here. We want to start from a blank project, so you will learn everything. Next, we need to decide where do we want to save that project. Click in here. I will put it in course project, hit select folder. And now we need to put a name there. I want to call it Space Shooter, right? We want it to be in blueprint, target platform desktop, and quality preset maximum. Hit create and it will create our project. Now that the project is created, let's just first go to content drawer, and in content folder, in here right click, create a new folder and call it levels, because we want to create our own level. Now I want to go to file, go to new level, and I want to create a empty level. Hit create and now it's created. With Ctrl S or going to file and click on save current level, we can save it inside levels folder. I can just call it new map because we don't have multiple level for now, but if you have multiple level, it's better to put it like this, level_1. Hit save. Now our level is saved, and whenever we open our project, we want this level to be open. So for doing that, go to edit, project setting, go to maps and modes, and in here change the editor starter map from open world to level 1. That's it. And for this one as well, the default map, again put it to level 1. That's it. Now whenever you open your project, the level 1 will be open. Now there is some assets that we need to import them, and you should download them at description of this video and put it on your desktop. It's just a zip file that is called spaceshooter.zip. Right click on it and hit extract all, and in here hit extract and it will extract it and automatically put it on your desktop. Double click on it to open its folder. Now you can see we have an assets folder that has some font, some sounds, and some texture. For adding them, just go back to a Space Shooter folder in here that you see the assets folder. Open up Unreal Engine side by side, make it a small. Open up the content drawer and now drag and drop the assets in the content folder. It will import everything for us, so click on apply to all for fonts, hit yes, and now all the assets will be imported. Go to assets so I can show you some stuff. For example, the fonts. We have one font that is good for a game. After that we have some sound, for example explosion. After that we have some laser sound. After that we have impact. And we have a space engine. And we have transition. Now let's just go back, go to textures. We have some texture for enemy. For example, we have some meteors. After that we have some ships that you want to use all of them. After that we have some icon. After that we have explosion that we want to create animation off of. After that, we have some missiles, for example, for the player, you can see it over here. And the missiles for enemy, you can see it over here, beautiful. After that, we have some textures for our player. For all of the textures, we need to apply Paper 2D texture setting, so it will look much better in Unreal Engine, right? For doing it, actually, it's easy. For example, for this one, you can just right click on it, go to sprite action and apply Paper 2D texture setting. But I don't want to do it like this, I want to do all of them together. So go back to textures. In here, you need to use filters. If you don't have this, just click in here and in here search for texture and enable this texture. Enable this check mark, right? And now you will see this texture. If you click on it, you can see it will show up all of the textures inside this folder. You need to use Ctrl A to select everything like this and right click on one of them, go to sprite action and apply Paper 2D texture setting. Now everything is imported. We can disable this filter. And now if you, for example, go to enemy, go to meteor, now you can see the Paper 2D texture setting is applied to it. You see some asterisks in here. We need to save it so it will go away. So go to file, save all, and now everything will be saved. Beautiful.